With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A hollow, smooth, uniform shell A of mass m rolls without sliding on a smooth horizontal surface, collide head-on elastically with another stationary, smooth, solid sphere of same mass, right, and same radius. The ratio of the kinetic energy of B to that of A just after the collision. Now, if I write down in elastic collision between same mass, what happens? The velocity get exchanged. Which velocity? Not the angular, only linear, right? After the collision, linear velocity get exchanged after collision. So what will happen after the collision? The A will have zero velocity and B will have the same velocity as that A was having. So it will be having V naught velocity like this. So if you see earlier, the A was having some translational and rotational kinetic energy. Now after the collision, only the rotational will be with A and translational will become 0. This will become 0. So if you write down here, it was performing pure rolling. So in case of pure rolling, if you write down, if you see, let's say the omega was omega naught, it is V naught. So this is omega naught into R. So this point should be at rest, P. So I will write down V naught is equals to omega naught into R. From here you will get the omega naught, right? It is V naught by R. So I will write down the rotational kinetic energy. It is half I omega naught square. It will be with A. And we want the kinetic energy of B with B to that of A ratio. So this is the kinetic energy of the A. As I said, the A is having no linear velocity after the collision. And if I write down the B is having V naught velocity, mass is the this. So if I write down the A of a shell, it is this. So and V naught, omega naught is V by R. So you can just put the value. So I will write down omega A is equals to half. It is 2 by 3. This will get cancelled out. And here if you see, this is, it is half. So you can just divide the two, right? If you see, this is 2 by 3 times of kV, right? 2 by 3 times of half m V naught square. It is equals to 3 by 2. And this is the answer of this question. Now you can just check for the option 3 by 2. C is the correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.